Hello, welcome to our channel. Let's deep dive into our first way of making money online, that is dropshipping. In this video, you will learn how you can start your own dropshipping online store. Number 1. Setting up your store. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Design your website, add products listings, and set up payment gateways. Choosing products. Research and select products to sell from various suppliers. You can find suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or even on Amazon. Listing products. Add these chosen products to your store with attractive descriptions, images, and prices. Make sure your product listings are appealing to potential customers. Number 4. Customer places an order. Customer visits your online store, likes a product, and places an order by making a payment. Number 5. Order notification. You receive a notification of the order and the payment on your store. Number 6. Notify supplier. You then place the same order with the supplier, providing the customer's shipping address. You pay the wholesale price for the product to the supplier, keeping the difference between the retail and wholesale price as your profit. Number 7. Supplier ships directly. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer, usually with your own branding. Number 8. Customer receives the product. The customer receives the product and they might not even be aware that it was dropshipped. So dropshipping is a business model where you, as a store owner, don't hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your online store, you purchase the product directly from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This means you never have to handle the products physically.